One of the main goals was to capture as much light in this home as possible, and I knew I needed to do that through not only the windows but the skylights. And the way the skylights work, especially placed on the southern exposure in the house, they enable the space to get flooded with light at all times of day. I don't have any shades anywhere in the entire house except for on the skylights because I knew I wanted to be able to control some of the direct hard light that was coming in from the higher areas on the roof if need be. Sometimes you just want to soften it. You don't want to darken it. You don't want to close it off. You still want that openness of the skylight being open, but you just want the sun a little bit diffused. The skylight in the stairwell sits on a place on a roof that gets sun the entire day. It's south facing and it's the one place that the sun just it moves through beautifully. So I wanted to make sure that even though I wanted that light, I wanted to be able to diffuse it, and that's why a shade was crucial for the skylight in the stairwell. When I told people I was putting a skylight in Eli's room, they said, oh, you're gonna wanna have a room darkening shade on it. And I said, well, at this age, he gets up with the light, he loves to, he's up early in the morning. But I think that the beauty is that as he gets older, he's probably gonna wanna sleep till noon, and so I can swap it out for, a room darkening shade, which will be helpful with a teenager in the house.